Hidden high within the cloud forests of South America, grows a flower so strange, many refuse to believe it is real. This is the monkey face orchid, a rare flower whose petals perfectly mimic the face of a small monkey. Every detail appears impossibly intentional, from the tiny eyes to the curved mouth hidden within the bloom.
Thriving in cool mountain forests, these orchids survive in fragile ecosystems suspended above the clouds.
Unlike ordinary flowers, the monkey face orchid releases a sweet citrus-like scent, attracting pollinators through the rainforest fog. In nature, reality is often stranger than imagination, and sometimes, even flowers can wear faces.